Hello. Welcome to Supplement Review. Here you will find best reviews about health and supplement. Today, we will discuss Keto Slim Nutrition. Keto Slim Nutrition is the best supplement for weight loss. In these days people like to eat ketogenic food. Companies work ketogenic food and people adopt ketosis. Ketosis family is the largest family of weight loss and fitness in the world. Not in the US, in the United Kingdom, Canada, Europe, and all other countries like to use ketogenic food. What is special in Keto Slim Nutrition? 50 pounds in 61 days. New no exercise skinny pill melts belly fat. Why every judge on Shark Tank backed this product? The sisters launched the products for sale through their company website and say they sold out within 5 minutes. We even made sure we had more product than we thought we could sell, but all of it sold out within 5 minutes. Exclaimed Samantha. While the Shark Tank investors are toasting to their smart business move, women around are flocking online to purchase Nutrix and say the results have been life-changing. Clinical trials of Nutrix have uncovered that women who used the Nutrix were able to drastically reduce the fat and with continued use prevented the signs from reoccurring. Nutrix is revolutionizing losing weight medicine, explained Barbara Corcoran from Shark Tank. Garcinia cambogia is a tropical species of Garcinia whose place of origin is Indonesia. The fruit is akin to a pumpkin in appearance, with colors ranging from pale yellow to green. The fruit goes by several names including Malabar tamarind, pot tamarind, and brindleberry. Over the years, Garcinia cambogia has become popular for its use and effectiveness as a supplement for those trying to lose weight. It is available in diet shops as a standalone product but can also come packed with other ingredients. Research asserts that the fruit is also effective when it comes to blood sugar and cholesterol level control. How to lose weight quickly with pure Garcinia cambogia. 1. Appetite control. When attempting to lose weight, getting a grip on your eating habit is an important angle when it comes to the effectiveness of your regime. Emotional eaters face a torrid spell in trying to curb their eating habits. This is where Garcinia cambogia comes in. It helps to control your eating habits by stimulating the production of enzymes that suppress cravings for some specific types of foods. The chemical serotonin also helps to correct emotional imbalances that cause you to consume food due to escalating emotional situations. 2. Prevention of the formation of fat. Finding a way to control the conversion of the energy in your body into fats is the key to controlling a burgeoning waistline. Garcinia cambogia suppresses the ability of the liver to convert energy into fat and diverts the necessary calories to efforts of building up a lean body with healthy muscles. 3. Well-being. Many individuals will use food as an attempt to escape feelings of stress and depression. The fruit extract has compounds that lift your mood and improve your general well-being, reducing the likelihood of you slipping into stress and crash-feeding tendencies. Garcinia cambogia has been under study for over a decade now. It provides an effective natural remedy to the problem of weight loss and comes at an affordable price. However, some classes of individuals could experience potential negative effects, for example, pregnant women. Check with your doctor to get a go-ahead before deciding to use the product. To lose weight quickly with pure Garcinia cambogia, you must use it at the correct intervals and in the appropriate amounts. Keto Slim Nutrition is best for every age. Here I will show some success stories. In the age of 25, she was looking fatty, but after using the Keto Slim Nutrition she loses their weight within 50 days. In the age of 35 she starts Keto Slim and loses weight within 45 days. In the age of 55 she loses their weight with 2 months. Keto Slim is fit for every age and best for male and female. One thing remaining. You can find trail offer for first time. Try your first trail to check the link below in the description. For more information, check link below. Company website. Subscribe our channel and for more updates and reviews.